Guys, welcome. AJ here. You can see I'm at about knee deep of a mud pool. So you got to be careful if you're going to cross one of these little pools of water, because you can get bogged, and if you get bogged in the middle of nowhere with no help, you're in trouble. So what you should do is just do what I'm doing right now. Just check out the depth. You can see I'm about knee height of a grasshopper. Oh, very good, Daniel Tom. So yeah, you just got to be careful when you're crossing this kind of terrain. Get out, go for a walk, take your time. Don't just drive straight in it, because if you're going to get bogged, you're going to be in trouble. It's also good to have a 2-inch lift kit if you're serious about four-wheel driving, and lower your tyre pressure. So once again, guys, AJ here on the Tiki Tour, just having out and about at Broome. We're at the bird observation, and it's not the birds that you see at the beach. Well, it is at the beach, but it's nature bird. You can see this eagle up here. He's scanning to look for any rodent, any little mice, anything out there. Look at it. The ultimate stealth fighter. Machine number one. He owns the sky. This place is where hundreds of thousands of birds come at all sorts of different times of the year to mate, and all the rest of it. So look at this, wonderland. With Wayne. Wayne's a local. Wayne's fishing, and what are we doing here, Wayne?
We're looking for the threadfin salmon or blue salmon. Just waiting on the tide at the moment. As soon as that tide gets up high enough, I'll position.
So this tide obviously rips in real quick, especially up in this area, Broome. Tell us a little about these tides. At the moment, we've got a big, is it a 10 metre tide coming in at the moment?
10 plus metre
Yep.
tide at the moment, which drops right back out to 0.5 of a metre.
Right,
so
well,
yeah, big change.
Big change. So we'll just have a look around here where I am at the moment. Whereabouts are we, Wayne?
Crab Creek Road, down into Crab Creek Road.
Righto, Crab Creek Road. This is the setup here. 3 them. What bait are we using again there?
We're using cook prawns, Fatamite cook prawns, and a bit of mullet.
Righto, and what kind of fish are we hoping to target here today?
We are looking for the threadfin.
Looking for the threadfin. Now, barramundi, do they come through?
Yeah, we get barramundi here as well sometimes. We get catfish, we get stingrays, we get little sharks.
Little sharks as well. So that's going to be interesting. So we're waiting on this tide. You can see the tide. It comes in really fast. This is a big king tide. So we're going to set it. We're going to see what we can catch. All right. So it looks like you maybe we've got a little something there. Little catfish. So we'll see coming up. Oh, no. Oh, yep.